Now we're going to go live to the cockpit and say hello to Mark and Brad and Amanda. Mark, Brad, are you there with me?
How are you guys doing?
We are doing awesome, and the airplane looks awesome overhead. Ladies and gentlemen, you can hear you. Give it a round of applause. Hear that, guys?
Oh, yeah, very great.
Well, we are pleased to have you come overhead and station to almost every type of aircraft in the United States military. The flying boom method was actually perfected in the late 1940s and early 1950s. It is a very, very challenging job for another aircraft to fly in formation right up underneath that KC-135 Stratotanker. And then it is the job of the boom operator, Amanda back there, to literally fly that boom into position, into the refueling hole on the aircraft. Watch it as it waves back and forth. That is our boom salute. This from the 134th Air Refueling Wing.
Rolls in the back. I've got several displacements, so the group today, so I can say a special hello to my son, Gary.
For being here, you guys. You look awesome, and the crowd loves you.
Hey, okay, we appreciate you up to fly over today. We're thankful for the support of this great Tennessee community and great state of Tennessee.
Ladies and gentlemen, 755! Let's give them a huge round of applause. They are your neighbors, they are your friends, and they serve our country.